Access granted.
You know, it's going back again. For the live Templar News. Presently, I'm a virgin budget. It's on a rich culture. It's presently right now in the zone. I don't know if you can talk to the camera right now. But let's check out some of the features. Because so intense, like a Mark Schumacher, bloody, with Rasta. Oh, what happened? You don't know. But it's blood clot. Well, yes, this is a rain that went to the crime scene. We are going along the steps, so I go on. That's the fireman skate, Lord, play, give thanks to God. I say, chopping in the bush right there, so. Kate. God is coming up on today. Boy, you need a CVM boat there, you know, trust me, bro. Boy, virgin, man, what? I can't show my picture and say, boy, they poop, I go through now. Boy, trust me. You make me feel like I want to breathe sitting down now. Jesus. Can you get the youth to start dealing with my house? Watch a man can trees up black up for my door. Suppose me, something, you know, something they call the gas tank to blood clam. Me dead, you know? Take off. Fuck, watch a man.
As the man them crash my car to the artist.
You know that man?
Yeah, website say, yo, we just can't come on. At that time they made
I think I can joke it. That'll be so free. So man.
So happy.
No man, you just shock, you see me? You know. Yeah man. Boy, driver, something for the news camera. Driver, something for the news. So how do you feel? Oh man, push me down the road, they have to kill have news man.
Yeah, easy.
Alright.
Baby,
this is no another joke thing, this, you see me? No, another joke thing, my boy.
We have quarter knowledge of blood feed, we can it. If you see me alive when they come out, we can laugh.
Yo, this is Black Attack, level.